Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Do you need therapy, but are unsure about what type of therapy would be best for you? Maybe you've heard different terms like cognitive behavioral therapy or psychodynamic therapy, but aren't quite sure about the differences between them. Or perhaps you've never considered therapy before, but are curious about what it entails. In this video, we will go over the main types of psychotherapy, their differences, and which one might be right for you. Before we get into the different types of psychotherapy, let's first take a look at what psychotherapy is and why you might want to consider it. Psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy or counseling, is a treatment approach that helps people deal with mental health issues by addressing harmful thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Psychotherapy can be helpful if you're struggling with a mental health condition, such as anxiety or depression, going through a difficult life transition, such as a divorce or the death of a loved one, or just want to improve your mental health and well-being. Psychotherapy is conducted by a trained mental health professional, such as a psychologist, counselor, social worker, or psychiatrist. During psychotherapy, the therapist will work with you to identify and change negative or unhealthy thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that may be contributing to your problems. The goal of psychotherapy is to help you develop healthy coping mechanisms and problem-solving skills so that you can better manage your mental health and improve your overall quality of life. Psychotherapy is not just for people who are mentally ill. In fact, anyone can benefit from psychotherapy. Many people lead busy lives and may not have time to attend weekly therapy sessions. There are many options for online therapy and counseling, including BetterHelp. Online therapy is a convenient and affordable option for those who are unable to attend in-person sessions. It also offers a variety of other benefits, such as increased flexibility and anonymity. Some people may feel uncomfortable talking about their personal problems with someone in person, but they are more open to sharing their thoughts and feelings online. Others may find it easier to open up to a therapist who they have not met in person. BetterHelp offers individual and couples therapy with licensed professionals. You can schedule live sessions, send unlimited messages, and even do group therapy sessions. They use a proprietary matching algorithm to make sure you're paired with the right counselor for you. If you're unhappy with your first match, you can ask for a new one at no additional charge. So now let's take a look at some of the most common types of psychotherapy. Psychoanalysis, or psychodynamic therapy, is a form of therapy that focuses on bringing unconscious thoughts and feelings to conscious awareness. This type of therapy is based on the belief that unresolved conflicts from the past, such as childhood experiences, can cause psychological distress in adulthood. The goal of psychoanalysis is to help patients become aware of these unconscious conflicts so that they can resolve them. This type of therapy often involves exploring dreams, free association, and transference. Psychoanalysis can be helpful for people who are struggling with mental health conditions, such as anxiety or depression, as well as those who want to gain a better understanding of themselves and their relationships. Behavioral therapy is a type of therapy that focuses on changing behavior. This type of therapy is based on the belief that learned behaviors can be unlearned and that new behaviors can be learned in their place. Behavioral therapy is often used to treat mental health conditions, such as phobias and obsessive-compulsive disorder. It can also be helpful for people who want to make changes in their lives, such as quitting smoking or exercising more. Common techniques used in behavioral therapy include exposure therapy and aversion therapy. Exposure therapy is used to treat phobias and anxiety disorders. It involves gradually exposing the patient to the object or situation that they fear in a safe and controlled environment. Aversion therapy is used to treat less desirable behaviors, such as substance abuse or criminal behavior. It involves pairing an undesirable behavior with an unpleasant stimulus in order to decrease the frequency of that behavior. Cognitive therapy is a type of therapy that focuses on the connection between thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This type of therapy is based on the belief that our thoughts determine how we feel and act. Cognitive therapy is often used to treat mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. It can also be helpful for people who want to improve their thinking patterns and develop more positive self-talk. Common techniques used in cognitive therapy include cognitive restructuring and thought stopping. Cognitive restructuring involves identifying and challenging negative thoughts and beliefs. Thought stopping involves consciously interrupting negative thoughts. Humanistic therapy is a type of therapy that focuses on the whole person, including their thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and environment. This type of therapy is based on the belief that people have the ability to make choices and take responsibility for their own actions. Humanistic therapy is often used to treat mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. It can also be helpful for people who are going through difficult life transitions or who want to improve their overall well-being. Common techniques used in humanistic therapy include client-centered therapy and existential therapy. Client-centered therapy involves the therapist providing a safe and supportive environment for the client to explore their thoughts and feelings. Existential therapy involves helping clients find meaning and purpose in their lives. There are many other types of psychotherapy, but these are some of the most common. The best type of therapy for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. Here is a brief overview of each type of therapy and what it might be helpful for. Psychoanalysis or psychodynamic therapy may be helpful if you are struggling with mental health conditions, such as anxiety or depression, as well as those who want to gain a better understanding of themselves and their relationships. Behavioral therapy may be helpful if you are looking to change specific behaviors, such as quitting smoking or exercising more. It is often used to treat mental health conditions, such as phobias and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Cognitive therapy may be helpful if you are struggling with negative thinking patterns or want to develop more positive self-talk. It is often used to treat mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. Humanistic therapy may be helpful if you are going through a difficult life transition or want to improve your overall well-being. It is often used to treat mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. In addition to the types of therapy discussed above, there are also several alternative forms of therapy. These include art therapy, music therapy, and drama therapy. Art therapy uses creative expression to help clients explore their thoughts and feelings. Music therapy uses music to help clients relax and reduce stress. Drama therapy uses role-playing to help clients understand and manage their emotions. If you are considering therapy, it is important to find a therapist that you feel comfortable with. You should also discuss your goals for therapy with your therapist to ensure that they are realistic and achievable. Therapy can be a great tool for improving your mental health and well-being. By understanding the different types of therapy available, you can find the right type of therapy for you. Did you find this video helpful? What type of therapy are you going to try? Share with us in the comments below. Please like and share this video if you think it will help someone else. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.